Welcome. If you wanna record sounds on your Huawei P30 Lite, let's move to the tools. And then we have to click on the recorder. Click allow. If you are using this application first time, you will be asking for the permissions. And if you wanna just record, click on this icon. And right now the voice is recording. Click on the pause. If you wanna just pause, resume, and just click on this marker again to finish your record. And there's our sound that we record, and you can just play it. And that's how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.